Hello, fascinating minds, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a truly intriguing question about our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Why are gorillas, despite their immense size and power, generally considered more peaceful than chimpanzees? It's a contrast that often surprises people, and the reasons behind it offer a wonderful glimpse into the intricate dance of evolution and survival. When we picture a gorilla, we often imagine a powerful, imposing creature. Yet, the reality is that these magnificent animals are largely gentle giants. Their lives revolve around their family groups, led by a wise silverback, and their days are primarily spent foraging for vast quantities of plants. Gorillas are almost exclusively herbivores, feasting on leaves, stems, and fruits. This abundant food source means there's very little competition for resources within their group, which significantly reduces the potential for conflict. Their social structure is stable and hierarchical, with the silverback acting as a protector and decision-maker, often resolving disputes with a stern look or a powerful display rather than actual physical violence. Their sheer size is often enough to deter most threats, making overt aggression less necessary for their survival. Now, let's turn our attention to chimpanzees. These incredibly intelligent primates share a remarkable amount of our DNA, and their social lives are famously complex. Unlike gorillas, chimpanzees have a much more varied diet. They are omnivores, eating fruits, leaves, insects, and even hunting small mammals. This hunting behavior and the competition for more scattered or seasonal food sources can introduce a different dynamic into their lives. Chimpanzee societies are also structured differently, often described as fission fusion, where groups constantly split into smaller parties to forage and then come back together. This dynamic social structure, combined with a need to defend valuable territories and resources, can lead to more frequent and sometimes intense conflicts, both within their own groups and, famously, between different chimpanzee communities. Their aggression, while sometimes unsettling to observe, is a highly effective strategy for securing resources and protecting their territory in their specific ecological niche. So, it's not about one species being inherently good and the other bad. Instead, it's a beautiful illustration of how different environments, diets, and social structures lead to distinct evolutionary paths and behavioral adaptations. Gorillas thrive by being largely peaceful and cooperative within their stable family units, relying on their size and the abundance of their food. Chimpanzees, on the other hand, navigate a more competitive world where strategic alliances, intelligence, and sometimes aggression are key to their success. Both are incredibly successful species, perfectly adapted to their unique ways of life. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth and reminds us that every creature has its own fascinating story of survival. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration today. If you found this insight into our primate relatives as captivating as I do, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more journeys into the wonders of the natural world. Your support truly means a lot.